All right, we're going to try to keep you cool on your Sunday. That is for sure. More heat on the way. Maybe not quite as hot as it was yesterday, but yes, we're still headed for the triple digits over most of North Texas. Taking you out to DBU right now. 87 degrees, feeling like it's 91 out there. So we're starting to see those temperatures heat up a little bit with the sunshine out there. 84 in Rockwall and Mesquite, along with Frisco. Heading out to Fort Worth. You're at 82 right now, already 87 heading over to Aledo. Now we'll see those temperatures heating up along with the dew point temperatures this morning. Upper 60s to low 70s and a little farther east, getting on into East Texas, some low mid 70s. So as we look at the muggy meter this morning, yes, the air a bit heavy once again. So we're in that very sticky to even uncomfortable category out there for today. So yes, get set to sweat stepping out the door this morning as we head later into today. As we look at the forecast heat index around the area a little farther south, we're talking about 105 plus. Getting into East Texas today is especially a little more oppressive there, but we're looking at a little bit of a break from the triple digits, at least from the temperatures. But that heat index along the Red River is still going to be up around 100 to 101. Gainesville, Sherman, out toward Paris and Clarksville later on today. So there's the heat advisory that's still in effect, but the northern tier of counties not included in that. Gainesville, Sherman, down to Denton and Collin counties. Dallas-Fort Worth area south, though, we're still looking at the heat advisory as we go through the day. So for us, that heat index, again, 105 plus. Temperatures only in the upper 90s along the Red River today, but elsewhere across North Texas, we're still looking at 100 degrees plus, 102 to maybe 103 Fort Worth over to Dallas here as we go through the day. Now, we are looking at the excessive heat down toward Austin, San Antonio, approaching Houston as we get down into southeast Texas. So we're talking about heat indices in these areas probably exceeding 110 at times later today. So at least we don't have the excessive heat that we did have earlier, but still plenty of heat all around. That stretches all the way over into Louisiana as we go through the day, back into West Texas, back into the Big Bend. So far reaching with that heat advisory and those excessive heat warnings for today. Showers and storms mainly off the Gulf Coast here for today. Our rain chances had some isolated to scattered activity around yesterday. That has all dried up, so we're going to keep it dry across the area today. We're going to be feeling the heat once again with those forecast highs, triple digits, 105, maybe 104 for San Antonio later today. Look at Abilene around 106, upper 90s along the Red River, heading out toward Oklahoma City, the Arklatex region as well. Not quite as oppressive with the heat, but still into the upper 90s later today. Now for us, we're shaving a few degrees off of those highs today, but we'll begin to heat up as we begin the week ahead. We're talking about a heat index on Monday up around 105, the actual temperature around 103, 104 on Tuesday. Another weak front does approach as we head into Wednesday. Temperatures do come down a little bit, maybe around 102 or so on Wednesday. So we may bring that temperature down just a little bit from that 103 that you see there. Then we're still talking about triple digits, but not as hot. We may even dip into the upper 90s late in the week, but still that heat index up over 100, maybe around 105 later in the week, that normal high 95 to 96. And with that dip in temperatures midweek, we're adding a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms then as well. Don't get too excited. And I do think most of that, if we see any at all, will be south of I-20, maybe over the southern portions of North Texas. So we'll see how that plays out later in the week, but still more heat on the way, around 100 Thursday and Friday. And then going into next weekend, well, it looks like we'll start to heat back up once again.